Guys, I am Asif from Anza Tutorial. I will be explaining to you some questions from exercise 1.1 which are a bit confusing. So to understand those questions, you must understand this basic question which is given on your screen. First you read this question, then let us come to the solution of this. Guys, you have to remember two things here. One is this positive, it is given positive integer and not the square or cube. Okay, so square or cube is not given. Why I am telling you this? Because in some of the questions later on it will be given square of positive integer or cube of a positive integer. So remember here you have to read it carefully whether it is simple positive integer or square of that or cube of that. Second thing here, this coefficient, it is given 2 here. Coefficient of q is given 2 here. So 2 is very important here because we have to keep whatever value is given of this coefficient, we will be keeping the value of b, that number. Here it is 2. In the formula a is equal to bq plus r, I hope you know this formula. This is known as Euclid's division algorithm. Algorithm means a series of steps. Earlier, you used to divide a number by another number using this method. Like you are dividing this 3, you are dividing another number and 3 ones are 3 like that, then you are putting 0, then like that simply. So this is the combination of many steps. This is first step, this is second step, then third steps will come. But here in Euclid's division algorithm, we will separate these steps and solve this question. Understood? So let us first assume that A is any positive integer. And as I told you earlier, that the value of b we have to keep whatever coefficient is given here. Here it is 2. Next step is using Euclid's algorithm. Okay, guys, that you know what is that algorithm? A is bq plus r. In this question, we have the value of b as 2q. Simply we are putting from here the value of b from here we are putting here 2q plus r. It is very simple. You must not get confused. Now after that you have to put one bracket and write one of the two things which I am going to tell you now, that you must write. You have to write the value of the possible values of r, that will be either 0 or 1. Why? Because our divisor is 2. Divisor is 2. The remainder is always less than the divisor. I will explain this by giving you some very simple examples. Suppose you are dividing a number, say 6. So you will get remainder 0. 2 3 is 6. Take next number, that is 7. 2 3 is 6. What you get remainder as 1. Take next number 8. 2 4 is 8. And what you get? 0. So you can see we are getting remainder either 0 or 1. Then again 0 is repeated. That's why we have only these two remainders, two possible remainders. So let us delete this and proceed further. Now, what you can write in next bracket r, right in between r, is greater greater than 0 or equal to 0 and less than 2. You have to, guys, you have to choose one of this bracket, either this or this, your choice. Whichever you feel easier, you write that here side by. Now next step, now since we have only two remainders, so there are two cases arising out of this situation. Case 1 is when r equals 0, so a will be 2q plus 0, is it not? So here it is 2q. Next case number 2, case 2, when r equals 1, then a will be 2q plus r, in that you keep 2q plus 1. That's all, guys, the problem is solved. Here the value of a is either 2q or 2q plus 1. That's all. Guys, if you have any doubt in this question also, you can ask me in the comment box. But before that, if you liked this video, please share it with your friends, like it and give some comments. Okay guys, thank you.